welcome back to the channel, and if you're brand new to the channel, I'm so incredibly excited that you're here. My name is Michelle. I am a brand new Rae Dunn collector, and I live in Atlanta, Georgia. And I have to tell you, I know that my very first video said I hit the jackpot, but my husband and I both said I spoke too soon, because we definitely hit the jackpot over the course of the last 2 weekends. So as I said, I am a brand new Rae Dunn collector, and so many of the items that I am finding are kind of like the beginning starter items that you might see in and out of the stores. But please let me know what some of your favorite, especially your favorite starter items are, because I feel like I got some really good ones today, stuff that I've never seen before. Of course, like I said, I'm brand new, so some of this stuff might not be new to the market, it's just new to me. But either way, I got a ton of items, so I hope that you're staying tuned, because this is going to be a very cool, might be long, I'm gonna try to keep it brief, but I'm super incredibly excited with some of the great items that we found. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first item that I'm gonna share is something that I am so shocked to have found. These, and it's not the exact one that I was looking for, but it is what kind of kickstarted my Rae Dunn collection in the beginning, and that is the sugar canister. Now this one is a little bit different. It is definitely different than the one that I had seen kind of shared on YouTube, because it has like more of the slimmed down edges. But I was really excited to find this in the stores. In fact, I think my jaw dropped on the ground when I saw it, because I had never seen this version of it before, and it works really, really well in our kitchen because it's got that slim down look. And so I was really pumped to find this in the stores. So I have no idea if this is like new to the collection. You expert veteran Dunn hunters out there can let me know. I haven't done any research on it just yet, but either way, I was really, really excited to find this in the store. And coincidentally, right next to it was the tea one. And I was really excited. This one's a little bit smaller than the sugar one, but they will go hand in hand, and of course I will store them next to each other. So I'm super excited to have found this one in the store. And like I said, it was right next to the sugar one. I will say I think the top is a little bit kind of interesting. It's not fitting snug, but that's not a make or break. It still looks really nice. I mean, I don't think it's damaged or anything. It doesn't fit as snugly as I thought it might. But either way, still a great find in my opinion. The next thing that I found was actually in my very first haul video, and I loved this guy so much that when I saw a second one, I knew I had to have it. And it'll either go in the kitchen, or I'm thinking about maybe putting this in my bathroom and storing like my curling iron and my like my straightener, my hair straightener and stuff like that, maybe some brushes. I don't know, I love this guy so much, so that when I saw it again, both my husband and I were like, you have to get it, because fun fact, ladies, I have a husband who loves to hunt just as much as I do, which is really cool. We actually found several of the items when we were on vacation. We were actually traveling to Tampa, Florida to visit friends and family and for work, and I just happened to drive right past a Home Goods, and I thought, oh, let's just go. It's, you know, close to closing time, and I don't know if they don't Dunn hunt there or they don't collect there, but there was just a ton of goodies there. We couldn't get that much stuff, but this was one of the things that was there that we went ahead and grabbed, and they had a ton of mugs there, but I already had a bunch. Either way, that's just where some of the items were found. Okay, so this next one I was really excited to find, because I had heard about it, but I had never seen one in person, and that is like the cheese spreaders and the knife set. So I was really, really excited. Hopefully, I can't tell if this is, but I was really excited to get this set because my husband and we will get good use of this, especially in the summertime. So I was really excited to find this. And then of course, it goes perfectly with the nibble, snack, and bite tray, which is kind of like a deeper tray. This was definitely deeper than some of the other ones that I have seen before, and so actually my husband was the one that found this one and was like, we have to get it, it's perfect for like our coffee table, because we do like a lot of meat and cheese plates during the summertime, and we'll do dips or stuff like that just for like the summers. And I was really excited to find this one. It'll go really great with of course the rest of the collection. All right, so the next thing that we found, I was super excited to find because I really wanted to get, I've seen and heard about all of like the dog bowls and the dog stuff and the cat stuff, or the animal collection that they have for Rae Dunn, but for some reason in my area I can never ever find anything. So I was really excited, so that when I went to my local Home Goods, they had this huge thick dog bowl. I mean, this thing is real. I mean, I don't think it's, the camera's gonna do it justice necessarily, but this is gonna be perfect. So we're actually gonna put this in our bedroom, in our bathroom actually, because our sweet dog, Haley, our chocolate lab, she can drink as much water as I can. And so it's just, I think this is a really cute little addition to put into our bathroom. So I was really excited to find that for her. And then I guess the next item, because we're talking about summer, and I know some of the spring items I haven't been really fond of, because they had a ton of Easter stuff at my store, and this was like North Georgia area, in the suburbs. But the cool thing is that they did have the salad tosser set, which was really nice. So I'll try to show you. So it's the serve, and it's the spoon, and the fork serving set. But I was really excited to get this because I had been eyeing it. I know that there's like a scratch across the top of it, but either way, this is going to get a ton of great use because we make a lot of salads in the summer. We like to nibble a lot in the summertime. We like to be on our patio and do kind of like barbecue grill food. So I know that like this will definitely get some good use in the summertime with all of the different variety of salads that we make throughout the summer. So how many times can I say summer in a sentence? Quite a bit, I guess. All right, so the other thing that I wanted to get for our coffee table, and I've seen a couple of display items on Pinterest, and that is the pour jug. And I'm actually not going to use this for serving necessarily. What I'm thinking about doing is going and finding some flowers, like seasonal flowers that I can change in and out. And I'll insert some pictures like once I get everything set up. Maybe I'll do like a Rae Dunn Collection house tour if that's something that you guys might be interested in. Please let me know in the comments below, because I will definitely love to share it, because those are some of the things that I enjoy watching, or how everyone puts their Rae Dunn to use with their collection, you know, whether it be practically, like, you know, and it very functional, or if they use it for decorations. I love seeing all that stuff. So this was one of the things, the items that I'm actually going to use with the sole purpose for decorating. So I think what I'm going to do is just change it out every single season. So I'm really excited to get some summer flowers in here for sure. Okay, so this next item I grabbed just because of the color of it. I have never seen the black labeled looking items before, more of like the Halloween style, and this doesn't have a Halloween saying or anything on it, so I'm actually gonna need y'all's help on this, because I have no idea if this was something that might have just not been sold in the past and they just put it on the shelves. But either way, the saying on this thing plus the color of it, I knew I had to have it. Okay, so what I found was this black mug that says Hustle on it, and like I said, it's just it just has the black on it. But what's interesting is, I know someone said like if you check the tags on the back, you can tell like when it went into stores, and it says 0419, which makes me think that this is new. But I thought it had the same kind of matte finish that the Halloween items do, because let's be real, the Halloween stuff is what I really am excited for. Come towards the end of summer, towards in the beginning of fall, you will see a ton of videos coming from me, especially the like hunting videos, the shop with me videos. Those will definitely be coming soon for sure. So, but either way, I was really surprised to see this. It was the only one that was at the store, and I love it that it says hustle, because I think we should always hustle hard. So yeah, I was super pumped to get that. It's super exciting. So if you guys have any other collector's items that look like this, let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious about it because I was really surprised to see it there. If you can tell, I don't do much research online. I don't have a lot of time to do a ton of research currently. So what I've just been doing is just organically going to the stores and just shopping naturally and just seeing what I see. But both my husband and I, we went to Home Goods just this past weekend, and we were so surprised at how much they had. In fact, I joked with one of the sales associates. I had said, there must have been either birdhouses or something came through your store today, because I've never seen such a huge variety of items out before. And she just said that they were really surprised too, because they just didn't have a lot of collectors come through the area. So maybe because it's spring break, I got lucky. I'm not really sure, but either way, this next item is what I have been searching for and searching for and searching for. And I was really nervous that I was gonna have to go to like eBay or a separate third-party site to purchase it, which I really don't want to do, because I don't want to support those people that go into the stores and they clear the shelves and then sell it for, you know, triple and quadruple what it's worth. So all that to say, I'm really excited for this next item that I found, which is the plates. The dinner plates, which I'm so incredibly excited to get, that say eat across the top. We ended up getting the last 4 that they had of these, and I can't believe it because they're $8 a piece. They're just such great quality. I'm so pumped that I found this. So this was like I said, I thought I hit the jackpot the last time. I definitely hit the jackpot this time. So maybe I just need to keep saying that in my videos, and every single video will just get better and better and better. So either way, the plates were a huge hit with not only myself, but with my husband. He was the one that was like, get as many as we can find. So we kind of had to do a little digging and hunting, to find all 4, because they were kind of spread around. They weren't together. So either way, we found 4 really good quality plates, and they're not damaged or anything like that. So I was really pumped, because we will actually put these to great use. Okay, so I know that earlier in this video I talked about some of the cool items that I got that's going to be great for the summertime. Like I said, we do a lot of meats and cheese plates or charcuterie boards in our house. We just kind of really love to like nibble on snacks like that throughout the summertime. And this bad boy is going to go great with that. So this is the Bon Appetit serving dish. And as you can see, it's nice and thick, and this is going to be great for like putting crackers on, or if you have like cheeses or meats or whatever. So this is going to go great with our cheese plate. So we did that for the sole purpose of being able to like use these items. So we're very intentional with our shopping, especially with the Dunn hunting. I'm not currently searching for the bird houses or anything like that. I'm searching for a couple of friends that I've made, actually through YouTube from you guys. So some of you have reached out to me and just said that you want to be able to shop together. Some of you, like one of my friends lives in Arizona, which is really neat, that she's like shopping out there, and then we're just gonna kind of ship to each other when we can. So I was looking for the bird houses for her, didn't come across those. So I'm so sorry I didn't find them for you. I'm not going to say her name because we haven't chatted about that, if it's okay for me to talk about it on YouTube. But either way, she was actually looking for these for me, and I ended up finding them. So super cool. Super excited to find all these items that we can put to practical use, because as I just kind of segued, so I'm sorry about that. But what we have been, we're just trying to be very intentional and very thoughtful in what we are purchasing that are Rae Dunn items. I want to make sure that they are items that we can actually use and put into use. I don't want it to necessarily just sit on a shelf. Although I will tell you probably all of the Halloween items that if I am blessed enough to find some when they are released, and hopefully they are released again, those are probably going to become decorations. But for the rest of it, I'm trying to be incredibly intentional and finding items that we can use year round. So, and of course the meat and cheese stuff is stuff that we can use all the time. So I'm super excited about that. All right, so the next item. All right, So this next item was something that I saw. They had 3 of these in the store. I've never seen these before, but I knew that I had to have it. I do have a KitchenAid mixer in my house that was gifted to me for Christmas several Christmases ago from my husband, which was so sweet because he knows I love to bake. And but one of the really nice things that I found was this guy. And it says, it's a big mixing bowl, as you can tell. It says just beat it on the actual dish, but it came with this mixing beater, which is so amazing. I've never seen this before. Of course, you know, I'm new, so I probably wouldn't ever see it organically. But either way, I was super pumped to find this in the store. And like I said, they had 3 of them. And in fact, as we were leaving, there was another hunter that walked in right as we were walking out, because we chatted for a couple of minutes, and she was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that they have the mixing bowl with the mixer, the beater on it. So she was just as excited to see it as I was, which makes me excited too, because it was really fun to just kind of like have that little bonding moment with a fellow Dunn hunter in the wild. So it was really cool. Either way, I was super pumped to find this. Okay, so the very last item that I found, I can't even believe this is an entire shopping haul video, and this is only from 2 shopping trips, all of these items, but I know I'm going to get to the point in my collecting that I'm going to start kind of not being able to find some of the items. Like, I'm still looking for a teapot, I'm still looking for a coffee canister, some of those little smaller things. I'm still looking for like the smaller plates, like dinner plates. Like, I got the dinner plates, but I want the smaller version of it, and the bowls and stuff like that. So there's still some really cool, fun items that I'm looking for. But this next item, I have been saying across the board I wasn't going to buy any more mugs because I have so many of the mugs. That's the first thing that I started collecting, were the mugs. However, if you are just tuning into my channel, this is your very first video, and you've made it this far in the video, which I'm really excited that you've made it this far. One of the items that I've just across the board, one of the things that I have been so incredibly excited about is our Year of Disney. We are currently on a Year of Disney. My husband and I purchased annual passes. I will link the playlist up here for you. It's brand new. My channel is also brand new, but we are doing this whole incredibly cool Year of Disney where we purchase annual passes. We live in Georgia, and we're going to travel down to Orlando, Florida as frequently as we possibly can with all of our free and available vacation time to go and visit the parks. So this next item will make sense when you see it. So this item was something that I saw, and both my husband and I just in the store, I had no idea that this was even a thing, it was even an option. And of course it's the Beauty and Beast mugs. And it's one of our favorite Disney movies, and we just could not believe that we found these in the store. So I was super pumped, and of course I looked at my husband and he was like, I know another set of mugs, but you have to get them because I've never seen those in the wild. It'll make, you know, great for when we're, you know, having the Disney blues and just want to be able to like enjoy some coffee and just have like a Disney moment or something like that. But either way, it was really cool to add to the collection, and so I was super excited to see those out in the wild and be able to purchase them. So okay guys, so that is it for today's shopping haul, Rae Dunn shopping haul. I can't even believe all of the great goods that we found over the course of the last couple of weekends, and I would love to hear from you guys. What are some of the items that you are still searching for in your travels, in your hunting travels, or what are some of the items that you're looking for to add to your collection? So please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, especially any of the friends that you have out there that are also Rae Dunn collectors. I would love for us to like team up together and maybe share organically, help each other out. So if you live in and around the state of Georgia or in near Atlanta, I would love to connect with you as well, because it's been really fun to chat with you guys over on Instagram and here on YouTube, just connecting and sharing some of the items that we're all looking for and just helping each other out. It's been a lot of fun to get to know some of you guys offline. So with that to be said, I'm so excited that you have tuned in today, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a ton more great Dunn collections, videos and hauls and shop with me's that are coming up soon. This is definitely not going to end here. And so with that to be said, we are off, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.